Get ready for an incredible week at VBS. Before you check out those leader manuals and go-to guides, take a quick look at how this VBS works. Each part of this program is intentionally designed to maximize every minute kids are with you. It may be different from the way you've traditionally done VBS. First, instead of age-graded classes, you'll create mixed-age crews of up to 5 elementary-age kids and 1 teenage or adult crew leader. At Group, we've been doing this for more than 25 years, and it works! You'll also make crews of preschoolers with their own teenage or adult crew leader. Preschool crews are made up of kids between the ages of 3 and 5, kids who haven't yet been to kindergarten. Everyone kicks off the day at Sing and Play. After 25 minutes of music, skits, and even videos, preschoolers and pre-K kids head off for age-appropriate fun that's designed just for them. Elementary crews divide into 4 groups, according to the daily schedule. That way, everyone knows exactly what to do, where to go, and when to be there. You can find customizable daily schedules on the Clip Art and Resources CD, or in the Ultimate Director Go-To Guide.
Wow, God!
Following the daily schedule, crews rotate every 20 minutes to one of 4 stations. After 2 elementary rotations, everyone, preschoolers and elementary kids, come together for snack time. Then preschoolers and pre-K kids head back to their own area, and elementary kids have 2 more rotations through their stations. Finally, all elementary crews come together for a 25-minute celebration closing. Preschoolers and pre-K kids have their own age-appropriate closing separately. That makes it easier to get the little guys handed off safely to their parents or caregivers at the end of the day. You'll love this simple, flexible, and innovative way of letting kids explore, learn, and grow. You're in for an amazing week of deeper relationships between kids and leaders, and most important, between kids and God.